A very good morning, children. So today I am going to start a new concept, that is LCM. Okay, lowest common multiple. Okay, so far we discussed the concept of HCF, where F is factor and here M is multiple. Okay, highest common factor, now least common multiple. So to understand the difference and the way how we have to find the LCM, I would like to take an example of numbers, that is 18 and 30. Okay. So first I want to find the HCF of these two numbers. Observe the board very carefully, children. First I want to find the HCF of these two numbers using short division method. Okay, the method of short division to find the HCF. So in the short division, what we'll do, we'll take the numbers together and we'll start finding the common factor for both the numbers. As you know here, 8, even number, 0. Okay, so we can divide it with 2 tables. 2 9s are 18, 2 15s are 30. 2 9s are 18, 2 15s are 30. Now, here 9 and 15 we can cancel in 3 tables. So 3 3s are 3 5s are. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now, except one, there doesn't exist a common table which cancels 3 and 5 at a time. So, we will stop the process here. And the HCF is going to be, the HCF of 18 and 30 is equal to, as we have discussed, we have to take only the common factors, that is 2 into 3, which gives us 6. So 6 is the HCF of the numbers 18 and 30. Okay, we took only the common factors or the values which are this side. Okay, we neglected this 3 and 5 as they don't have common factors. Now, almost the same procedure will follow for the LCM as well. Please look. Now, I want to find the LCM of 18 and 30. 18 and 30. Look, same process. We'll take the numbers together, 18, 30. The common table which cancels 18 and 30 is 2 table. As I told, we have to start with least values first. 2 9s are 18, 2 15s are 30. 2 9s gives us 18, 2 15s gives us 30. Now, the common table which cancels 9 and 15 is 3 table. 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. There exists no other table which cancels 3 and 5 at a time except 1. Okay, so we have to stop the process here. Now I want to find the LCM of these numbers. So LCM of 18 and 30. LCM of 18 and 30. Observe the board carefully, children. If we want to find the HCF of 18 and 30, we took only these two common factors. Whereas if we want to find the LCM, we have to take all the numbers including these common factors. That means 2 into 3 into this leftover numbers, 3 into 5. Hope you got it. Here we stopped at this point by taking only the common factors. Whereas for the LCM, we will take the leftover numbers for multiplication. So this is going to be 90. Hope you got the children. Hope you got the point, children. So the least common multiple of 18 and 30 is 90. Same process as short division method for HCF. Only the changes we will consider the leftover numbers and into multiplication to get the LCM. Very simple. I think by this time you got the procedure how to find the LCM. As there exists no points to be discussed for this. I want to start the exercise 3.3. Please check the board. So, exercise 3.3 children, you please start writing this. This is going to be our CW for today. Find the LCM of the following numbers. We have two digit numbers. So, let us start the process. 21, 24. Okay, there exists single approach to find the LCM for you. So, no need of worrying about other methods. We need to find a table which cancels 21 and 24. So, we can't cancel 21 in two table because, as I told you, always start with least. Hence the name LCM. Okay. Actually, that is pointing to multiple, but in order not to get into any kind of confusion, start with lowest factors first. So 21 is not divisible in two table, whereas only 24, but we have to find the common table. 21, 24. We can cancel using 3 table, where 3 sevens are 21 and 3 eights are 24. Okay. And there exists no other table except one table that cancels 7 and 8. So we have to stop our process here. Hence, LCM of 21 and 24 is equal to, okay, the numbers which are here. So look. So the common factor 3. And the leftover number 7 and 8. Okay. So 3 sevens 21, 21 eights 168. So 168 is the LCM of the numbers 21 and 24. Okay. So as I hope you are quite clear with this, the next two problems I want to give you as homework for today. Only 2 digit and 3 digit numbers. Only 2 numbers were given. Now I am moving to fourth one of this exercise. Check the board. So the numbers given are 4, 8, 24 and 36. Okay, before that children, for the third question which I gave you as homework, take 31 table. Okay, because 93 and 124 you can't find in 2 to 9 tables. Directly go to 31 table so that you will get the answer. Okay, anyway, now look at the board. So the given numbers are 4, 8, 24 and 36. As I am writing, you better leave some space between the numbers so that everything comes nicely, and try to adjust only 2 problems in a single page so that it will look good. Okay, 4, 8, 24, 36. As I told, let us start with 2 table first. Then we'll move ahead. So 2 table, yes, we can cancel 4, 8, 24 and 36 in 2 table because all are even numbers. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 12s are 24, 2 18s are 36. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 12s are 24, 2 18s 36. Now, still we have a chance of cancelling the given numbers in 2 table because all are even numbers. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18. Okay, 2 9s 18. Now please look at the board carefully children. Here we have 1. Whenever you see 1, you just leave it. No need to touch 1 because 1 multiplied by anything gives the same number. So we'll forget about 1 and we'll check 2, 6, 9. Is there any common table which cancels 2, 6, 9? No, because if we take 2 table we can cancel 2 and 6, whereas 9 is not possible. If we take 6 and 9 we can cancel in 3 table, but we can't cancel 2. Hence what we have to do is take any 2 numbers. Okay, take any 2 numbers. In LCM this is the advantage we have, whereas this is not the case with HCF. 2, 6, 9. As we are dealing with least numbers, first I want to take 2. There is nothing wrong if you take 3 also. Okay. The reason why I took 2 is I can cancel 2 and 6 in 2 table. Now look at the procedure carefully. So 1 you write as it is 1. This one I am writing here as it is without making any changes. Now 2 how many times is 2? 2 ones are 2. Look, 2 ones are 2. And 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. As we can't divide 9 in 2 table, I will stop here and write 9 as it is. Okay. Because as we have 4 numbers, we took any 2 numbers for cancellation, children. Now we can cancel 3 and 9 in 3 table. So look, 3, drop this one as it is, 1 as it is. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. We have to stop the process here because we just have only one number that is to be cancelled. Whereas here we have 3, here we have 2, here we have 1. So we can stop the process here. Now, how to find the LCM is, therefore LCM of the given numbers 4, 8, 24 and 36 is, you can write side to this, not a problem, these common factors and the leftover digit. That means 2 into 3 into, so I just finished with this part, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and here we have only leftover number 3. No need of taking ones because multiplying anything with 1 gives the same number. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, okay, 8 into 9, 72. 72 is the LCM of the given numbers 4, 8, 24 and 36. For your better understanding, I am repeating the solution again, children. Just look. The given numbers are 4, 8, 24 and 36. The least number which divides 4, 8, 24 and 36 is 2. So we started with 2 table where 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 12s are 24, 2 18s 36. Now we have 2, 4, 12, 18. As the least number that cancels 2, 4, 12 and 18 is 2. I started division with 2 table again. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18. Now, as I told, forget about 1. We have 3 digits now. Okay. So, if we take 2, 6, 9 as the numbers for which we have to find the LCM, you can take any 2 of the numbers provided those 2 numbers can be cancelled in a common table. Here I took 2 and 6 because I can cancel it using 2 table. So 1, once you get 1, you drop it as it is as 1. Then continue for the rest of the numbers. 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Okay, 9 is not cancelled in 2 tables, so drop that 9 as it is. Okay, we will do this process only when 2 of the numbers are going to be cancelled. For instance, if there is no 6 but 5, can we cancel 2, 5, 9 in any common table except one table? No. So, hence we will stop the process there itself. But here what happened is, we got another number which is 6. It created an advantage of cancellation with 2 table. Hence, I did like this. Now, as I told, drop the ones as it is, and we have 6 and 9 which we can cancel using 3 table. Okay, so 3 and 9 which we can cancel using 3 table. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, so if you observe, look, 4 numbers became 3, 3 numbers became 2 and 2 numbers became 1. Now, as we got one number, we have to stop the process here. Then To find the LCM, we have to multiply all the common factors and along with the leftover number. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, these numbers and the leftover number 3. So the result is 72. Okay. Please watch the video again and again, children, until and unless you are quite confident with this method of finding the LCM. So tomorrow we'll continue this. In the next class. That's all for today. Have a great day.